Today we share with you how to maintain the bearings of the parts in the motorcycle. When you hear a noise in the wheel, you need to go to the repair store to replace the bearings. In daily life, if we want to extend the life of bearings, we can use lubrication to minimize the wear of bearings. Because lubrication can reduce friction and wear and prolong fatigue life, discharge friction heat and prevent foreign matter from invading the inside of the bearing. That's all for today. If you have any tips about motorcycle maintenance, we welcome you to leave a message in the comment section and participate in a lovely conversation.